Hi, everybody. I finished grading almost everybody's essay, so you should be able to check your grade, look at my comments, and see how I filled out the rubric to decide on the grade for your essay. Now that you have them back, you have a choice to make. Do you want to keep the grade that you already have for this essay, or would you like to improve it by revising? If you choose to revise, all you have to do is go down here to week 3, where we are. In synthesis, move all the way down to the very bottom, and you'll see revision 1. Now here it'll give you all the instructions, once it actually loads, for what to do to revise in case you're not satisfied with your grade, and this is where you're going to turn it in. You guys will see upload file in your version. So if you have any questions about that, definitely let me know. If you just like an answer to any questions you have about your first essay, I'd love to answer those anytime. Overall, they were very good. I think you guys took in the lessons pretty well, and I think you adapted to the first essay very nicely. So what I definitely want you to do is take a look at your essay, look at the grade, look at the rubric and my comments, and definitely, especially if you haven't yet looked at the annotations I made to your rough drafts. I spent a lot of time highlighting and making comments on there, so definitely check those out. And if you're not sure how to find it, go to announcements, and it'll be now the second announcement where I have all the instructions for that. So as always, let me know if you have any questions. You guys are doing pretty well so far. I'm very happy with the progress we're making. If you're one of the 3 or 4 people whose essay I haven't quite finished yet, that's just because some people had to send it a different way. Some of the uploads didn't work properly. Don't worry about it. I am getting to your work. You didn't do anything wrong. And I'll be ready to help you if you have any questions. All right.